Oh shit. Is he dead? I don't know. He was. Gary's alive.
Gary is alive.
Yes, Gary's alive. Yo, guys, look what I bought today. So we lost Larry, the red lobster, the miniature Mexican lobster. So look at what I got. Hell yeah, jump out of my ass. Let's see, let's take it over. Let's try to get this thing open. You wanna hold this for me? That big shit. Oh baby. You know, I like the guy at that place. He actually he be doubling the bags. That'd be more secure.
What's his name? Is this somebody we saw last time?
Yeah, the guy that gave us the fish that you dropped his.
Shut up. And oh
no.
He's about to climb up. Okay.
We'll try to.
Yeah.
See? Let me see if I can grab him, guys.
Oh God.
Alright, so yeah, you guys remember I had the crabs out in Africa. You feel me? Oh baby, come on out there.
I'm gonna put him on top of it, or maybe.
He's not trying to let go.
You wanna put it down here?
Yeah, let's see. Oh, let's see if it come up. There you go.
Come on.
Oh shit.
You can drop off your kids just while I'm saying that. Yeah, I got time, guys.
Yo, it bit me. Oh shit. That guy. Yo, it bit me, y'all. You smacked
I thought it was my head.
Yo, she smacked the shit out of her head, bro. Yo, that's very good. Oh my gosh, yo. I think I lost my finger, y'all. It's pretty. Damn. I didn't think that. Found a hole in that joint. Good for now, guys. That's the aquarium for now until the princess comes and adds a little bit to it. She get to add like one fish to it, maybe one or two, just one bit. But she better choose a good one. But damn, look, it's coming out the other side now. Yeah, you can put it down. Hey, yo, where's the fish doctor? Oh, him? Is he dead? I don't know. I cleaned my tank and he was floating. And then eggs? So they float like that? But he had like bubbles on where his legs are. So how would I know if he's dead? So I have to pull him out the tank and smell him. So if he's in there floating around. So he's floating around for too long. How long would they usually float around for? Yeah, because I cleaned my tank today, put the food in and everything, so I'm like, oh man, my water check food away, and I took it out the trash, and I seen it was moving, and I was like, yeah, cause I touched that and he moved it. Yeah, see? Oh, okay, cause I touched that earlier with the little tester thing, and it moved, so I'm like, I don't know, I think it's still alive, let me take it to PetSmart. Yeah. Gary's alive. Oh, Gary's alive. Yo. Hey, what's up, man? Gary's alive. Hey, yo, can you test my water when you get a chance, bro? Yo, let me show you this cichlid, man. Yo, Gary is alive. Gary back in his bouncing around thing. Guys, we just had a freaking scare, man. We thought Gary died. You see how Gary was floating up there like that? We never seen Gary do that before. We just had to go to PetSmart. They do that. Definitely. Oh man, I didn't record when I was changing the fit tank. I didn't record it, guys, when I did my first change. That would have been a good time to record that. Water change today. Like eggs. That's how you know when the snail is dead. Sheesh.
In the lowlands. A few moments later. Moments later. Moments later. More moments later. 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 In the void. A little later. Much later. Much later. Much later. Much later. The following Thursday.
What the? Yo, Larry died. No way. Just kidding, guys. We back at it, guys. Messing with you guys. Everybody's doing well. Still in there chilling. You guys see it right there. Just chilling having a good old time right there. Y'all see it. I just changed this tank like what, last week, so I'm probably give it like another week or so before I change it. But Larry is in there. He's hiding right now, man. He definitely shedded his skin. Molted, I think they call it. So he's hiding, trying to be a little secluded from everybody else, so he feels like he can come back. His claws is actually opening back up, surprisingly. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it, but he literally just shed his exoskeleton recently, like not even probably like maybe an hour or so ago. I wish I would have got it on camera, but wasn't around. But once he did that, his claws were still stuck together. It wasn't open, but now he feeling himself, so he's able to kind of like, move and I guess be able to protect himself a little bit more if needed. But everybody doing good. So what we got here, guys, I just woke up and I came to the tank to actually take out the exoskeleton. When I walked to the tank, I did not see the exoskeleton in sight, which was kind of weird because it was like front and center the other day. So, well, after looking around and stuff, I realized that the exoskeleton was actually inside that stump you see right here with Larry. Now, what could he be doing? Let's check it out. He's actually eating the exoskeleton like, whoa. So he's eating this exoskeleton right now. I actually did some research on it and come to find out that they do actually eat their exoskeleton as a form of calcium for them, due to the fact that he just molted his outer shell right now is somewhat soft. so he feels vulnerable. So that's why he's been like kind of hiding in the stump this past day or so. But he should be good within a few days, or within like a day or two. But what's up, Molly? But so yeah, this is pretty weird. I've never seen this happen before, and I've had blue lobsters before, and I've never seen it like, you know, molt and then eat the exoskeleton. So yeah, we gonna let him do his thing. But he actually ate the whole exoskeleton besides the 2 claws, and I think he might have been just saving that for later. He's going crazy. Look at him, man. He's going crazy. If you guys enjoying these videos, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure you guys share my video. Let's get to that 1 million, man. Appreciate you guys, and make sure you guys leaving some feedback on those recipes if you try them out, and let me know how they turn out and stuff. All right. Appreciate y'all.